It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you turn. Merry Christmas in April, everybody. Yeah. Daddy loves his baby girls. Yeah. My baby darling. Daddy loves his baby girls. Yes. Hey, big girl. Hey, the big girl. Yeah, Daddy loves his girls. Yes. Hey, big baby. Oh, yeah. Saturday, April 7th, 2018. Here in West Virginia, and we're getting some more snow. The grass is green, it needs mowed. And now it's pouring down snow again. It's not going to amount to nothing, but still. It's the fact that it's April and snowing, which we've had snow here in May before and June before, so West Virginia weather don't care what time it is, what month it is, what day it is. Hey, when Mother Nature says it's going to snow and it's going to be cold in the 30s, she just does whatever she wants to do. There it is! A beautiful Saturday in April. And I'm sitting here shoving my mouth like a little hamster. Chew, 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 chew. Wait a minute. Chew, 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 chew. Brush my shirt off. Wait a minute. Chew. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm almost done. I don't want to talk with my mouth full. No. Yeah, right. Wait a minute. Son. Wait one more minute. Fix my gray hair. Wait a minute. I got to get me a little swig of drink and I'll be right with you, son. Here I come. Get ready. Who ticked off Mother Nature? Was it Old Man Winter? Was it Father Time? I don't know, man. All I know is I got God in my life. Hey, and if I didn't have him there, I would get him because it's crazy. Hope everybody's having a great day. Hope everybody's got warmer weather than we do here in West Virginia. I need to mow my grass. It doesn't look like I'll be doing it today. Going to get on out of here. Everybody just stay warm, stay cool. Hey, I don't know. I just don't have an answer. I do not have an answer. Do not have words. By the way, we had some rough wind the other night. I'll have to make a video of that coming up. It turned our pool upside down. Blew it. Just tipped it over. Of course, it didn't have any water on it, but still, it tipped it over. It's pretty cool. Well, I don't know if it's cool or not, but I just don't know. I just don't know.